So we're looking at we are looking at we're looking at the chart of of gold versus US dollars. From the yesterday analysis, we can see that the breakout happened today and the market shoots to the top. So it gives good entry for a buy, but for those who are yet to enter, with respect to pullback, then we have a good entry. But the perfect pullback would have been this one when the market pulled back. When the market pulled back to this place, and then because I draw the two line there, I was expecting it to enter inside one, but it got a retouch, and this move was a huge move that can generate a good amount of money. When we are analyzing, the market was around here and that push was given, I think it was here, that when the price break above 1421 142,161. I think that's what I gave yesterday, but we have 142,152. Yes, one for this line, 14252.02. So if you watch our last analysis, you can see that this is what happened, and now the market is shooting up stringently. So for those who have a quick entry, good and fine, continue making profits. We have some other traders who have organized entries, pure entries on our VIP trading signal room, on our VIP mastered account. So we can see this, that the market has a tendency of maybe pulling back again, then shooting back higher and higher. But this is one of the targets we had. So we will see how the market closed today. And for those who don't trade on Friday, just wait for Monday market open, and we're going to have a more perfect entry on this. So we can see that good and fine market is giving us that on a lower time frame. So if we also look at it from the higher time frame, you can see our target is around that level, that big higher level of this is a target of I think that's what I called yesterday, 4336 or 71. I think that's the highest level. But what we can see that the breakout, it has breakout of the ascending channel, so it might retouch it on the outside part, because the breakout on the higher time of daily time frame is smooth. So the move would definitely get to touch this. From what we can see here, there's high chance it will get to this level. So we have a small move there for those who are in the market, so we can ride on to that point. And when we see a pullback which will be so significant on a lower time, touching this line again, it will signal a strong order move on the upper side of the chart. So we can see that the market can go as higher as that. So we can see the market going as higher as that. So let's keep and see. That's good. We'll do other analysis on volatility 75, and also on Great Britain JPY, and also on Euro USD, so that we get deep analysis. We prepare for the next coming week, which can be like the last week before we look at the week of Christmas, which market is going to be down. So perfectly, we are seeing how we can end the year on a profit side, and keep on building on what we are doing on our active accounts. For those who are yet to subscribe to the Signal Room, subscribe, and those who are in the Signal Room who are yet to comply with the new and signals demand, so that the signal will be effective and continue in the previous group, comply, so that we join everybody together and we can make this profit together and prepare for 2026. Okay, so perfectly. So if you follow our signals, you can see that even if you go to a lower time frame, you see that the open was fresh, but it was notified. There was a growth which was very significant on lower time frame, even as we see it. So we can see that the move is very perfect, even on a lower time frame of 4 hours. And we can see that target is still high. So we are looking at the target of 4373. So that's the target, 4373.31. And we can see that the market will get to that one because the major break now is another on the upper side. So let's look at the lower time, 1 hour time. You can see, although that region where it is, it can get exhausted, and we might see the pullback coming from here all until it touch there. So all eyes should be back a retouch of 4285. It will give more potent to the move that will go as higher as that. So we can see a strong move in the future based on the zigzag move. We can see the market move, like it dropped, it moved, it dropped, it moved, and this is corresponding to the drop. So anything we see here and there's a strong bearish movement, we can see that we'll just wait for the market here, and when we see a short, and then we keep on moving on the zigzag. So very perfect and very good, and we can see that when we continue in this direction of the market and the shape of the market, we still have a higher bullish market for gold. Gold is still pushing. I think before we get to 20, maybe in the very early of 2026, we can see gold at 5,000. I'm just saying it. So, but let's look at for us to just say that. Let's look at the more higher time. Let's look at the weekly. You see, there is no space holding this thing that it will not continue going on. In fact, it's making a new from the higher time, from weekly, we can see it making a strong bullish movement. There's another inside pin bar there, there's another inside pin bar. If this one closes like this week closes bullish, it will be an inside pin bar, which is giving more content to the bullish movement. So it's very correct that we can see this movement in a very diverse way. Let's look at the even monthly. You see, there is no bearish this thing, and these signals we can see for the previous 3 months. We can see that the market is actually on a strong bullish signals. Let me show this to you. We see this a failed bearish setup that is being engulfed by a bullish movement, and this month is already bullish. So you can see there's no way that uh, uh, this gold will not reach 5,000. So we can see that the move is perfect until they get to this place. It consolidated a breakout, and this is a new move again, and the market is still going up higher. So very good and perfect. We are moving with the market. The trend is your friend. Move with the trend. So there's no way we can do without a trend. So we're still with the trend. The market is still giving room for more bullish movement. Okay, so thank you, and see you some other trading time. We don't want to make this video too long for you. Bye for now, and subscribe. Please click subscribe, and also share, like this video for more algorithm for us to continue doing more videos for you on your trading signals. Bye for now, see you some other trading time.